How to buy HYPERSKIDS token. So this token came under the symbol of HYPERSKIDS. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on MEXC. To be able to buy this token, click into copy the token address. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Now open your BitKit wallet. For that, go to your wallet and select the Solana as a network. As you can see, click on this plus icon and paste the token address here. Now click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added called HYPERSKIDS. So after you find it, as you can see, what you need to do, click on it. Now click on swap, switch from here. And from the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy HYPERSKIDS token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.